10-letter words for 400.
This word, German for health, is nothing to sneeze at. Or is it? Chris.
What is Gesundheit?
Correct.
10-letter words, 200.
Aquamarine is the one for March. September's is sapphire. Allegra.
What is birthstone?
You are correct.
Newtons for 800.
Around 1772, Reverend John Newton wrote this hymn with the line, "How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me." Chris.
What is Amazing Grace?
Yes.